the Osprey pilot. The demonstration aircrew of Marine Medium Tiltrotor Squadron 262 consists of Captain Jason Lair, Captain Alexander Rhodes, with Gunnery Sergeant Rivera Crespo and Corporal Stevens as crew chief. Following the approach to center, the Flying Tigers turned away from the crowd, executing a reversal turn while converting into the landing configuration known as conversion mode. Aircraft will now decelerate to a hover in front of the crowd. Stop and turn 90 degrees to face you.
Wow.
You may be asking yourself, is it a plane or a helicopter? And the answer is it is a plane that can hover. Not only can she hover, but hover well. Take, for example, these next maneuvers. The pilot will complete a 360-degree hover turn, showing the unique capabilities provided by the vector thrust themselves. Facing the audience, the pilot will rotate the nacelle from 80 to 97 degrees, resulting in a nose high and nose low attitude, maintaining a hover over the same spot. What does this mean? This added feature of manipulating our nacelles allows us to adjust our fuselage to meet a sloped landing or even poke our nose through the trees to get a better look, all while holding a stable hover. Following the demonstration, the aircraft is now turned into the wind and will execute a backwards hover to conduct a vertical takeoff like a conventional helicopter. This capability allows the aircraft to take off and land from a ship or confined area without the requirement for a runway. Many ask about how the nacelles work. Watch the aircraft and you will see a fluid rotation of the nacelle towards horizontal that results in the rapid acceleration of the aircraft. This all takes place through the pilot's thumb, which he uses to adjust the nacelles. The pilot has full control and rotates the nacelles as fast as 8 degrees per second, roughly 12 seconds from helicopter to airplane. Control system with an all-glass cockpit. The airplane is built by Bell Helicopter, Textron, and Boeing Integrated Defense Systems in various locations across the United States.